Hello everyone, and this is a little drawing video for you guys on how to draw the Thalassodromeus. Yeah, the Thalassodromeus. It's a kind of pterosaur pretty much. And the unique thing about this pterosaur specifically is that it's a large sail on its head. That's kind of cool. It has a large head as well, which is it's pretty freaky, but I like it. So let's I can draw it right now. Maybe I'll show you guys the picture of the dinosaur after this video. Not after this video, after the drawing at least. Yeah. So let's start. You start with the head. The sail's kind of large, so I don't like to start up here. I start downwards more, like here. So with the head, this is a large head too. It's pretty crazy. Starts like this. The head like that. I can draw the sail. Let's just draw the sail right away. Now you can see the head a little bit more. And I can draw like this. Yeah, but I keep his mouth closed. It's a large head too. Draw the body. And I can draw the neck right here. And let's draw the wings too. Or the sail. I'm using that picture for reference. Let's see. I can change those wings on the other side too. Hopefully this camera doesn't fall when I'm racing. Yeah, because that has happened before when I was doing like corrections on my drawings. Tried to erase it, and the camera stand kind of fell during the middle of the video. Yeah, so I had to restart video in parts. Let's do some more corrections. Pterosaurs have to be kind of the coolest reptiles ever, honestly. The flying ones. I could do some more corrections on this left wing. I think it's supposed to be more into here. You can draw his little legs. His little tail. I could, yeah, I got the whole body right. Draw his eyes. I could do more corrections a bit. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's the. I guess the sail's pretty. I can draw the sail pretty larger too. I think the sail's kind of big. The sail on his head. It's a large crest and stuff. I guess it's there to attract mates probably. That's probably what it is. The bigger the sail, the more. Yeah. So that's been the Thalassodromeus. Yeah, it's a drawing video. It's a pterosaur, so yeah, it's a pterosaur. Let's try to do more corrections a bit. Hopefully his camera doesn't fall. I need to change up a bit. Okay, that's good. Usually I have to warn every video while I do these recordings. The camera just falling off for no reason. And a little reference. This is what they actually look like. Yeah, God, freaky, right? Yeah. So this is a little drawing video I did today because I just wanted to make a drawing video. So I want to do more paleo art, more dinosaur drawing videos, but I need to figure out which specific dinosaur looks the coolest, honestly. Yeah, the more cooler kind of dinosaurs. Maybe I will. Maybe next time I'll do like a mosasaur drawing at least. How to draw a mosasaur. So I don't think I ever did that in terms of drawing videos. I want to do more of these like dinosaur drawing videos and yeah, reptiles and stuff. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.